Okay, let's see what it does. Ready? So weird. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is so cool. Ball or something. Does he just... Oh my god. Oh my god, like where you can go. Oh
we
yeah,
should, like, you know what we should do? We should video all type of them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's record them all at the same time, okay?
Oh wait, there's... Oh, same thing. It's white. Wait, what else? Oh wait, there's more. Okay, wait. Look at the Scooby-Doo thingy. Oh my god! What the heck?
Oh my.
Get it?
Ah!
Get it? Look.
Try me, huh?
Look at the little thing. Look. Crystal.
What? How do you make it?
No, look. Just look.
Yeah, turn it on.
It is on.
Yeah, it has to make noise. See, it says try me.
No, look at this. It has to be the bottom. Oh, Crystal. Look at this. Look at the instructions. Right there. Read, look.
Happy Halloween, pal. Hope you have a spooky Halloween.
It's so weird. Let's see.